Cultural capital of Korea, designated as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy, the city of Hanok, Jeonju. We will introduce the top 3 hotels for tourists. If you want to receive hotel informations every evening, please click the subscribe button. The hotel is located away from the center of Jeonju, so it is quiet and pleasant. The hotel has just been renovated, so the facilities look new and modern. The rooms are clean, tidy and soundproof. The hotel also offers free breakfast at the hotel restaurant. There is an outdoor swimming pool on the rooftop with a view of the city. Located in the center of Jeonju City, 15 minutes walk from Jeonju Hanok Village. There are many shopping areas and convenience stores around. 4-star hotel with fully equipped rooms and friendly staff. Free fitness center in hotel. The hotel is located 10 to 15 minutes walk from Hanok Village. The staff speaks very good English. The hotel is very nice, modern, clean and new with full facilities. The hotel serves buffet breakfast for guests. It is a great place to stay for traveling to Jeonju. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.